Hi everyone, today's tutorial will guide you on how to name a range in Excel. Open up your Excel worksheet. Now, I'm going to name a range using three methods or three ways. The first is to select the range of cells you want to name. Let's select the cells. Now, you click on the Formula tab. Select and click on Define Name. In the dialog box that appears, input the name you want to use for your range, then you click OK. So automatically it has filled the name, full names. You can also decide to change the name. When you're done, click OK. Now you can see here that the range name has been created for these range cells. The second way is to select the range you want to name. In the Formulas tab, you click on Create from Selection. Now, you choose Top Row and you click OK. So the range name has been created. You can see we have the range name for full names and for marks. The third and final way to name your range is to select the range cells. Then you click on Name Manager. Here you can find all your range names. So you click on New. You can choose to change the name or you leave the name as it is. Then you input your reference value and you click on OK. Now it has been created and added to the list of range names here. So that's it, guys. These are the three methods or ways you can use to name a range in Excel. Make sure to give it a try and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this one. See you in the next video.